Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to enable Hibernate in Windows 10. First, let me tell you the difference between Sleep, Shutdown, and Hibernate. Shutdown turns the PC off completely. When you start the PC again, you have to manually open the last used applications and files to resume work. Sleep, PC is not turned off. Instead, put into low power consumption dormant state. When you start operating your PC, you are instantly back to where you left off. Hibernate. Open applications and its state is saved in your hard disk and then turns the PC off. When you start up the PC, you are back to where you left off, but not as fast as sleep. Now, first, we need to make sure that your PC or your hardware supports the Hibernate option. To do that, you should type here in the search bar command prompt, just like so. Command prompt, then right click on it, then go and click on run as administrator, then go and click on yes. Then you want to search here for or type here power CFG space forward slash A, then hit enter. And now here, as you can see, I have these options. The following sleep states are available on this system: standby, hibernate, hybrid sleep, fast startup, and so on. So now this means that my PC does support Hibernate. Now, in order to enable it, you should go and open the control panel, then search for power options or power settings. If you cannot find it, just type here in the search bar power options. It will appear like this, or you can simply choose the category right here, click on it, then click on large icons, and here you can find it right here, power options. Just tap on it. Then here you have these options. Click on choose what the power buttons do. And now you may have these options as you can see. Just click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then click on Hibernate, check this box, and your Hibernate option will be available. So now do not forget to click on save changes. And now here, as you can see, I have the option Hibernate. After clicking on save changes, I have the option Hibernate displayed right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.